Good day, ma'am and sir. In front of you is Mira Bulantablak. I am 28 years old, married. I have two brothers and two sisters. I have one son and he is 7 years old. I work as domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve 5 family members in the family. My madam and sir, and the 3 kids. When I started the job, the 3 kids were 4, 6, and 8. At first, the only 6 and 8 going to school. The following years, the 4 is already kindergarten. I need to prepare them in the morning. Their breakfast, their bags, their shoes, and have to bring them in the school bus. And when they are home, I need to assist them if they have a homework. I had a good relationship with the children. They were such a disciplined kids. I finished my education as primary teacher and I am licensed teacher. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money, to help my family financially. Salary in the Philippines is not enough. So I hope you give me a chance to work for your family, mom. I'm willing to learn the Hong Kong standard. I'm willing to learn from you, mom. I can do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, going to the market, and cooking. Thank you and hope to meet you someday.